Hello students, so today I am going to start problem number 11. So I refer the question paper 2016 for 14 marks. So this problem is based on reciprocal distribution method. So it can be divided into the two parts, that is repeated distribution method and simultaneously equation method. Let us start the problem. A factory has 3 production departments and 2 service departments. The overhead departmental distribution summary shows the following. So here there is a 3 production department A, B, C and 2 service department P and Q. So these are the primary distribution summary amount. The service departmental expenses of P and Q are to be allotted on the percentage basis as follows. So here is given percentage based on 5 department. So first, service department P, from production department A 30%, from 20% B and C 30% and Q is 20%. So P is nil. Service department Q, from A department 40% and 30%, C is 20% and P is 10%. So prepare this secondary overhead distribution statement showing, that is the under repeated distribution method and simultaneously equation method. First we need to solve the first method, that is repeated distribution method. Showing summary showing the repeated distribution method. So this is the format. Particulars: production department A, B, C and service department is P and Q. Overhead as per the primary distribution. Here is given overhead as per the primary distribution is A 3 lakh, B 3,50,000, C 2 lakh and P 80,000 and Q 60,000. Write it here. So there is a 3 lakh and 3,50,000. Next column is 2 lakh and 80,000. Next come to 60,000. So this is for the as per the primary distribution summary. So next first step is very important. So you have to reapportion to the production department. So first we take the service department P and Q. First we have to take service department P. So how much is the service department P is 80,000. Write it here, 80,000. So this 80,000 we have to have been redistribution to the production department and Q service department in the given ratio 30%, 20%, 30% and 20%. Write it here, 30%, comma, or you can take the ratios also 3:2:2, or you can be take percentage, and last column is 20%. So this is the given ratio. 80,000 we have to take on the basis of given ratio, that 80,000 into 30%, it comes 24,000, then 16,000, then 24,000, then 16,000. Here 80,000 into 30%, 24,000, 80,000 into 20%, 16,000, 80,000 into 30%, 24,000 and 80,000 into 20%, that is last 16,000. Next, so here total of Q, then we have to take for service department Q. So service department Q, it comes 60,000 plus 16,000, it comes 76,000. So here 76,000 we have to reapportion to the all the production and service department QP on the given ratio 40%, Q, department Q is 40%, 30%, 20% and 10%. Take it percentage, or you can take all the ratios. 40:30 and 20:10. So here 76,000 reapportioned to the all the department in the given percentage. It comes 30,400, then 22,800, then 15,200 and 7,600. Again this column is nil. Is it clear? Next, then we have to take for department P. So here is department Q nil agbidutte, department P estide ಈಗ 7,600. So we will take for the ratios. I will take the copy this. So 7,600 minus 7,600, write it here minus, because ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ, reapportion. So here is 7,600, write it minus. So 7,600 into 30%, it comes 2,280, then 1,520, then 2,280, last column is 1,520. So ಈಗ P ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ನಿಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ದೆನ್ ಈಗ ಯಾವುದರಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಮೌಂಟ್, ಈಗ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ Q. ಸೊ ಅಗೇನ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 1,520. ಸೊ ನಿಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ರಿಪೀಟೆಡ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ನಿಲ್ ಅಂಟಿಲ್ ನಿಲ್ 0 ಬರೋ ತನಕನೂ ಅಲೋಕೇಟ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ Q. ಟೇಕ್ ದ ರೇಷಿಯೋಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ Q. So department Q 1,520 rupees into 40%, 608, then 456, then 304, then 152. Is clear? Then so here is Q nil agide. Next come to the department P minus 152. So e minus, so 152 ಇದೆ. So now you take 152 in the ratio of ಯಾವ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, P. So 152 into 30%, how much? 46, then 30, then 46, and last column is 30. Last column is 30. So here next ಈಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇದೆ, ಈಗ 30 ಇದೆ. in the department Q again reapportion minus 30 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ minus 30 ಅಂದರೆ ನಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, that's why I took the colors 30. so here which department, department Q. Take it here, department Q. So 30 into 40%, it comes 12, then 9, 6. So Q department 40, 30, 20 and 10. 10 is 3. Is it clear? So this column is nil, Q column is thin, but P column is there. How much is there? 3 rupees. Again you have to redistribute 3 minus 3. So in the ratio of P, ಯಾವ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟಿಂದ ತೊಗೊತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋನ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ P ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, in the ratio of P. So 3 can be distributed to the all the production department as well as the Q service department in the given ratio. So then it comes 3 into 1 and again 1 and last column is 1. So here is Q column is nil. Is it clear? So then you have to get the total for all the columns. In the first column is 3,57,347 and next one is 3,90,816 and 2,41,837. So here is last column is nil, service column nil. So both the department P and Q ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ nil ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, because this is the repeated distribution method. until 0 ಬರೋ ತನಕ nil ಆಗೋ ಮಟ್ಟನೂ ನಾವು apportion ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. So I hope you can understand for the repeated distribution method. So the another one is simultaneously equation method. This is the method number 1, repeated distribution method. Another one is simultaneously equation method. Go through the second problem. Here first let x denote denoted service department. Here let overhead service department X. So let X denotes overhead of service department X. Then let Y denote overhead service department Y. So here is, so let the X denote the overhead of service department X, let the Y denote the overhead of service department Y. So Y means, let X means here is P. So here is X means P and Y means Q. Don't confuse. So let the X denote the overhead of service department X. X in the sense means P, and let the Y denote the overhead of service department Y means Q. So there is a two service department X and P and Q. I will take the X and Y values. So let us begin the problem. So in the step 1, first I have to take step 1. Step 1. Here first take the X is equal to, how much is the X values? See, the X value is 80,000 and Y value is 60,000. First we have to write it. X value is 80,000. Let the X denote the overhead of service department. 80,000 plus, you can be used for the algebraical equation, that is A plus BX and B plus, we took the algebraical equation. X is equal to A plus BY and Y is equal to A plus BX. So here is X is equal to A means 80,000 and BY. So here is, so first you have to take the percentage, given percentage. So here is P 10% of Q. 10% of Q means Y. 10% of Q means Y. Is it clear? Q means Y. Then Y is equal to, how much is the value? 60,000 plus, so here is C, P is equal to 10% of Q and Q is equal to 20% of P. So 20% of Q means Q value is 20% of Q means X. Is it clear? So here is, once again I will repeat, X is equal to 80,000 plus 10% of Y. 10% of y, y means q, then 20% of p, p means x, p means x. So this is the step 1. Next step 2, then the next step 2. So we can be simplify this equation. X is equal to 80,000 plus 10% means 10 divided by 100, 0.1 y. Then y is equal to 60,000 plus 20% means 20 divided by 100, that is 0.2 x. Is it clear? This is the step 2. Then with the step 1, step 2, then it comes step 3. Step 3. So in the previous video, I take the another methods for calculating the x values as well as the y values. So you can be refer whichever is easy. If it is easy for these things, we have to refer it. Otherwise, we can follow for the first videos. So here is step 3. So we can be take ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, x ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 80,000 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 0.1 y ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ y ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 60,000 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 0.2 y. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬೇಕಾದರೂ ನೀವು ತೊಗೊಂಡೆ x ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆರ್ y ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂವನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಐ ಟೇಕ್ ದಿ x values is equal to 80,000 plus 0.1 y. Is it clear? I take these values. So x is equal to 80,000 plus 0.1 y means how much is the y values. Can be take copy this. Y values is y value is 60,000 plus 0.2x. Write it here. So that is indicate that y values x is equal to 80,000 plus 0.1 y and x value is 80,000 plus 0.y. Y values ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಇದನ್ನೇ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. Write it here. Then we can be easily to simplify, easily to calculation the values. That is the x is equal to 80,000 plus, so here is 0.1 bracket means we have to multiply this amount. So 0.1 into 60,000. So then it comes 6,000. Again plus, here is plus sign ide, plus anna hakbeka. Then 0.1 into 0.2, then it comes 0.02 x. Is it clear? Again x values, x is equal to 80,000 plus 6,000, that is 86,000 plus, as it is right at 0.02 x. Then it comes, so here is x means 1x. Is it clear? X anta really 1x. Here I will write 1x. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ 1x ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. x. So it is plus left and right hand side ಇರೋದನ್ನೇ it can be convert, take this left hand side, then it comes the values minus right, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದ್ದದ್ದು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಮೈನಸ್ 0.02 x is equal to 86,000. So then the values 1x minus 0.02, it means it comes 0.98 is equal to 86,000. Then the values is 0.980x. Then the values is, so you need to find out the x value. So x value is equal to 86,000 divided by divided by 0.98 divided by 0.98. Then the values is x values is how much? It get 87,755. Is it clear? Now we can take the equation that the next step 4, take the equation y value second, take the equation second. We have to apply this x values here. So y is equal to 60,000 plus 0.2x. Now can we y is equal to 60,000 plus 0.2. So x means now just we have to find out the values of the x. Can be take this 87,755. So then y is equal to 60,000 plus 0.2 into 87,755. Then it comes 17,551. So total value of x is equal to 77,551. So this is for the y values. Is it clear? I hope you can understand. For the steps for the simultaneous equation method, you can be use these methods for using calculation the value of the x and as well as the y, or otherwise take the previous videos methods. So now we have to calculate the simultaneous equation method. So this is the format: secondary distribution overhead method, that is the simultaneous equation method. First we have to take for the production department, we have to redistribution to the production department. First we have to take the values total as per the primary distribution. So here is 3 lakh, 3,50,000 and 2 lakh. Write it here. 3 lakh and 3,50,000. Next 2 lakh. So here first service distribution, service department. Service department P. P means Q. So P means X values, service department P. So service department P, that is the into bracket I will take X values. So how much is the X values of service department? 87,755. So here is 87,755. We have to take the given ratio. So here is given ratio for production department: 30%, 20% and 30%. Then 20%, then 30%. This can be distributed to the here. How much is the value? 87,755. 87,755 distributed to the all the 3 production department. Then it comes 87,755 into 30%, 26,236. Then 17,551. Then 26,326. Next the value service department Q. That is Q means Y value. How much is the y values? Y values is 77,551. 77,551. So in the given ratio, how much is the given ratio is 40%, 30%, 20%. Only 3 production department. 40%, 30%, and 20%. So 77,551 we have to distribute it to the 40%, 30%, 20%. Then it comes 23,265. Then 15,510. Then here 23,265. First column is 31,020. Is it clear? So then we have to get the grand total. In the first column is we'll take the total 3,57,346. Next 3,90,816. Then 2,41,836. So approximately repeated distribution as well as the Simon distribution method same. 3,57,347, 3,90,816 and 2,41,837. Here also same. 3,57,346, 3,90,816 and 2,41,836. Thank you, students.